This is our Merlin flute in the key of C minor. We make it out of walnut. Walnut being a hardwood, it gives it a nice, clean, clear voice, especially on the higher pitched flutes. And it is a 6-hole flute. We put a cover on the 3rd hole from the top, make it a little bit easier to learn how to play, but when you decide to play it as a 6-hole flute, just remove that cover. Here's its voice. We do make the key of C minor in 2 different octaves. That would be the high C, and we also make a bass C.